Hello, everyone. Imagine you wake up one morning and realize the fact that the world has moved on without you. You reach for a device that no longer looks familiar, and for a job that has to be performed looks like that has been redefined overnight. Changing technology is a term that we often hear and talk about as if it's something happening to us. Today we see faster phones, smarter cars, and bigger screens. But the most important change isn't in our pockets, it's in our own identity. For thousands of years, we have used technology as a tool in our hands, and today it acts as a lens through which we have the vision of today's world. We are not just using technology, we are living inside it. And if we want to win in the future, we must ensure that we must switch from being passive users to conscious architects. The biggest term in technology is AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. Many people fear this term. The reasons are they think they might get replaced with it, their jobs might get ruined, or something worse can happen. But the truthful purpose, whether human or digital, is to solve the problems that cause the suffering. When technology handles most of our routine, it gives back our most precious resource, our humanity. It helps us to step away from the work of machines and return to the work of people. Changing technology is not about making humans obsolete, it's about making our time more meaningful and valuable. It is about using a digital mind to free a human heart. It has made us a truly global family. Now, we can now share a heart of content across oceans, continents, and land masses in just a few milliseconds. This is a profound power. This means a child sitting in the remote corner of the world feels no longer isolated from the greatest wisdom of a species. It has made us a truly family, internet family. But with this connection, it comes a duty, the duty of respect. Changing technology has intelligently destroyed the bridges of distance among the people. Yes, my friends, we must ensure that our digital bridges are built up with the two most important values, truth and empathy. We are more connected than ever. Now we must ensure to be more united among each other. Finally, technology has changed the relationship with my and yours beloved planet Earth. Earlier, tech meant smoke and steel, but nowadays, tech means sunlight and wind. Now we are entering a green renaissance. We are learning to design such systems that don't just take from our planet Earth, but give back to it. We're making such materials that breathe and energy that stays silent. Now, the most important question that buzzes in our mind is, can we build a high tech future yet completely in harmony with nature? The answer is in our hands. Technology will always change. It will get more faster, more smoother, and more smarter day by day. We are the first generation in human history that has solution to almost every physical problem we face, from distance to disasters to diseases and to everything. We have a solution. Now we have the how, but we must find the why. My idea is very simple, but it requires courage. We must stop asking this question, what can technology do for us? And rather start asking this question, who do we want to become because of technology? It will never have a purpose until we define it. Remember, my friends, the future is not a place we are going. It's a place we are creating for us and the future generations. So let us build a future with purpose and design it with honor and make a future that is worthy of a human spirit. Design the future, live the change. Thank you.